Tired of seeing that activate Windows watermark on your screen? What if I told you your PC already has a built-in key that can remove it permanently? In this video, I will walk you step by step on how to activate your Windows using your OEM key. Before we activate anything, there's one thing you must understand. Your OEM key only works with a specific Windows edition, usually the one your PC originally came with. So if your system has a Windows Home key and you are currently running Windows Pro, activation will fail. But don't worry, it is a very common issue. I already made a full video showing you how to upgrade or downgrade your Windows edition the right way, and I will leave the link in the description. Once your edition matches, everything will work perfectly. Now let's find your hidden key. Search for PowerShell on your Windows search icon and make sure to run it as administrator. Then copy and paste this command carefully. Press enter. If your PC has an embedded license, you will instantly see a 25-character product key. That's your OEM key. Copy it and save it somewhere safe. Now, how do you know if this key is a permanent OEM key or just a temporary one? We can verify it with one more command. Search for CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Then type this command carefully. slmgr space /DLI. A small window will pop up. Look for the line that says OEM_DM channel. If you see that, it means your license is permanently tied to your motherboard's firmware. It is authentic, it is legal, and it stays with the device even if you wipe the hard drive. Now let's activate your system. Go to Settings, then click on System. Scroll down and click on Activation. You can see I don't even need to enter it manually. It just detected my key. That is it, and my Windows is activated. Now make sure you have an internet connection before proceeding to the next step. Click on Upgrade your edition of Windows, then click on Change Product Key. Paste your OEM key and hit Next. You can see it says Activate Windows. By activating Windows, you get the best experience from interruptions. Click on Activate. If your Windows edition matches your key, activation will happen instantly. You can see the Windows is activated. Click on Close, and just like that, your watermark is gone. Here's something most people don't know. If you install the correct Windows edition that matches your OEM key, your PC can actually activate automatically once you connect to the internet. That is because the key is already stored in your motherboard firmware. So in many cases, you don't even need to enter it manually. If your key doesn't work, don't panic. It's almost always because your Windows edition doesn't match or you entered the key incorrectly. Just go and watch my video on how to upgrade or downgrade your Windows edition. It will fix the issue in minutes. And that's how you can activate your Windows using your OEM key already built into your PC. No extra tools, no shady website, just the official method. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me your PC brand, whether Dell, HP, Lenovo. It helps others know this works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my full video guide on finding your hidden Windows key if you want a deeper explanation.